So in this practice, calculate the classical momentum and the relativistic momentums of the protons moving at the 0.9 c speed of light. The mass of a proton is 1.67 times 10 to minus 27 kilograms. So classical momentums is mass times velocity, speed. The mass is 1.67 times 10 to minus 27 kilogram. And the speed is 0.9 times 3 times 10 to 8 meter per second. So if you calculate, it becomes 4.51 times 10 to minus 19 kilogram meter per second. This is classical momentums. And the relativistic momentums is mv over square root 1 minus b over c squares. So p classical over square root 1 minus 0.9 squares. Then you can calculate 1.03 times 10 to minus 18 kilogram meter per second. So from this calculation, you can find the relativistic momentum is larger than the classical momentums.